Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give book back answer in science for 7th standard, and that is lesson 1, children, page number 19. So those who have the book can take page number 19. So we'll start with the choose the correct answer, okay? First, choose. Mark it, children. First one, light travels only in a dash. It is because of this property that dash are formed. That is, answer is B. Two answers are there. Okay, first one is B. Two answers for first dash is straight line. First dash is straight line. The next dash is shadows. Okay, children. So how will you write? Light travels only in a straight line. It is because of this property that shadows are formed. Okay, like that you have to write. Second, light that hits a mirror gets dash. B. Reflected. Third, dash surface reflects the light well. So C. Mirror. Okay. Then fourth, light is a form of dash. B. Energy. Light is a form of energy. Fifth, you can see your image in polished floors but not in wooden table because B is the answer. That is, regular reflection takes place in polished floor and irregular reflection in wooden table. Okay, children. Then sixth is, choose a translucent substance from the following. Answer is D. Clouds. Then 7. Reflection occurs when the light, answer is B, approaches a surface. Okay. Then eighth, which of the following is the best reflector of light? B. Plane mirror. Then 9th, Sivarajan placed a meter stick in the playground at 7 a.m. in the morning. How will the shadow of the stick at noon look in comparison to the one in the morning? Answer is D. The shadow will be shorter. Okay. Then 10th one, the image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted because light rays pass through light rays pass through the pinhole. Then 11. Which of the following facts explain how shadows are formed? A. Light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Then, sorry children, this is 10th one only is light travels in a straight line, children. Light, that is A. Light travels in a straight line. Okay. And 11th one is A. Both A and B. Okay, this is the answers. I will take it down, children. Okay. Shall I rub the board now? Take down fast. Mark in your book. If you have the book only, it will be easy for you to mark and learn, children. All have your book. Then fill in the blanks. Roman number 2. Fill up. Okay. Now, first one. A plane mirror produces a dash image. Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. A dash reflection helps us to see the objects. Answer is regular. Number 3. The light rays gets dash when it falls on any polished surface. Reflected. Then 4th. Sunlight is a blend of dash colors. Answer is 7 colors. Okay. Next. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion. The moon dash sunlight reflects. The moon reflects sunlight. So 7th one, the sunlight can be split into its constituent colors using prism. 8th, reflection of light from rough surface is called regular reflection. Okay. Once again, I'll read out, children. A plane mirror produces a dash image, virtual and erect image. A dash reflection helps us to see the objects. Regular. 3rd, the light ray gets dash when it falls on any polished surface. Reflected. Sunlight is blend of dash colors, 7 colors. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion. The moon dash sunlight reflects. The sunlight can be split into its constituent colors using prism. Reflection of light from rough surface is called dash reflection, regular reflection. Okay. Now next we'll go to the true or false. So first one, the image of right hand in a plane mirror looks like a left hand. True. Next, rainbow is formed by dispersion of which light by water drops. Again, true. Third one, no need, children. Okay, put cross, so you no need that question. 4th, we can see planets because they reflect light from the sun. Yes, true. 5th, we see a book because it reflects the light that falls on its surface. True. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always inverted. True. 7. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always the same size of the object. It is false. So how will you change? the image formed in a pinhole camera pinhole camera is may not be. In that question you have always. So instead of you write may not be the same size as the object. Okay children, what will you change? May not be. Always you will change and you will write as may not be. Then the image formed in a plane mirror is upside down. Again false. So what will you write? The image formed in a plane mirror is erect. So instead of upside down you will write erect. Okay, you have to underline the upside down in the question, and in the answer, correct answer is erect, you have to underline. Okay, then next is 9th one. A plane mirror is opaque. Yes, true. Then 10th. A shadow is formed on the same side of the object as the source of light. So what will you write? False. So what will be the correct statement? A shadow is formed. Shadow is formed on the opposite side of you have to underline. Okay, not same. Instead of same you will write opposite side of the object as the source of light. Okay, then 11th, we are able to see things around us with the help of regular reflection. Answer is true. 12th one, after passing through a prism, white light splits into a band of 7 colors. Yes, it is true. Okay children, I will take it down. So false statement, you have to write the correct statements for false. Okay, take down this neatly and clearly. Yes, have you all finished? Next is match. Roman number 4. So I'll write the numbers as usual. Okay, that is 7, 4, 2, 1, 8, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so this is first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll tell you the straight answers. Just check it children. Okay, first one, rectilinear propagation. Answer is pinhole camera. So next to pinhole camera you will put number 1. Then plane mirror. Answer is periscope. You have to put number 2 next to the periscope. Next, firefly. So the answer is luminous object. So next to luminous object you will put number 3. Then the moon. Answer is non-luminous object. So next to non-luminous object you will put number 4. Then white light source. So the answer is penumbra. What is that? Penumbra. That is number 5. 6. Regular reflection. Glossy surface. So next to glossy surface you will write number 6. Then the sun. Primary source of light. What is the answer? Primary source of light, and you put number 7 there. Then band of 7 colors. Spectrum of light. What is the answer? spectrum of light and the 8th number. Now next we'll go to the answer the following. Shall I rub this, children? Take down this neatly in your book. Be easy for you to learn for your exam. So as soon as the class is over, finish the classwork. Now next we'll see Roman number 5. Answer the following. Answer the following. So now, first question. With the help of a diagram, state the laws of reflection. Take page number 7. Page number 7. First, the diagram is in page number 6. You can see here terms used in the reflection of light. Side heading is there. Below that you have a diagram. Okay? Are you able to see this, children? Page number 6 on the right side. Can see one diagram there? Yes, that you have to draw first. Okay, draw the diagram they have given. So you have to draw this and you have to write, you have to take page number 7 now. So in page number 7, see on the left side, you can see this in the blue color written there, side heading laws of reflection. You are able to see, children, on the left side. So 2 points are there. Laws of reflection, you have to write the side heading and 2 points are there. You have to write starting the, open the bracket, and where will you close the bracket? Plane. Okay. So the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie on the same plane. Close the bracket. That is your first answer. So diagram is in page number 6 and the answer is, that is 2 points, is the page number 7. So number 2, strike it out, no need, children. That is first one, page number 7 I have given. Second one, put cross, no need. Same way third one, no need. Fourth, you will go now. What are luminous objects? All these questions, whatever I am writing on the board, take down in your classwork or in your rough notebook, children. Afterwards, you can copy in your classwork. Answer is, what are luminous objects? All objects which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous objects. Now next is fifth one. Is the moon a luminous object? So answer is no. The moon is non-luminous. The reason is that moon does not produce, take down in your classwork, children, produce its own light. Okay, children, produce its own light. Instead it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. What is the answer? No, the moon is non-luminous. The reason is that moon does not produce its own light. Instead, it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. Okay, children, that's your fifth answer. Sixth one, what are the 3 types of material based on the absorption of light? Sixth one, answer is transparent material, transparent material, then translucent material, translucent material, and opaque material, opaque material. Okay children, this is your sixth answer. So first one I have given page number 7, number 2 and 3 I said no need. Okay, then 4, 5 and 6 I have given. So some more questions are there. Now we have finished the choose, fill up, true or false, match in first 6 questions, and other questions will continue in the next class children. Thank you.